Let's speak English.
I speak English.
You speak English.
Let's speak English.
Let's speak English now.
Lesson 35. How many cigarettes do you smoke a day?
A lot of people smoke cigarettes. 10 a day, 15 a day, 20 a day. A lot of people smoke 10, 15, 20, 30 cigarettes every day. If you ask, do you smoke many cigarettes? They always say, no, not many, but 10, 20 every day, that's a lot of cigarettes. I'm here in Piccadilly Circus asking people about cigarettes. There are a lot of people here. Excuse me.
Yes?
I'm asking people about cigarettes.
Oh, yes.
Do you smoke?
Yes. I do.
How many cigarettes do you smoke in a day?
Oh, not many. 10, 15. I smoke a lot when I'm working, but not many when I'm not working.
I see, thank you. Excuse me, madam.
Yes.
Do you smoke?
Well, sometimes 2 or 3 a day.
Well, that's not many, is it? Excuse me, sir.
Yes?
Do you smoke?
Well, I don't smoke many cigarettes. I smoke a lot of cigars.
Oh, thank you. Here's a young couple. Excuse me, do you smoke?
20, 25 a day, not many.
Not many? Do you know he's always tired because he smokes such a lot of cigarettes?
I don't.
You do!
You, sir, do you smoke?
Yes, I smoke quite a lot. 40 a day. And look at me. I'm very well.
This is Mr. Jim Black, last November.
My name is Jim Black. I smoke 60 cigarettes every day. That's a lot of cigarettes. I smoke a lot, so I haven't got a very good appetite. I eat some bread and butter sometimes, but I can't eat much. I drink tea, but not much. I haven't got much money because I spend a lot on cigarettes.
And this is Mr. Jim Black today.
Hello.
Hello, Jim. How are you?
Oh, I'm very well, and I'm very happy now that I don't smoke.
How's your appetite?
Fine, I eat a lot and I drink a lot. I'm very well.
Lesson 35, Drill 1.
Listen to the examples.
Has he got any cigarettes?
Oh yes, he's got a lot of cigarettes. Has she got any tea?
Oh yes, she's got a lot of tea.
Now you answer.
Has he got any cigarettes?
Oh yes, he's got a lot of cigarettes. Has she got any tea?
Oh yes, she's got a lot of tea. Has he got any books?
Oh yes, he's got a lot of books. Has she got any money?
Oh yes, she's got a lot of money. Has he got any apples?
Oh yes, he's got a lot of apples. Lesson 35, Drill 2.
Listen to the examples.
You smoke a lot of cigarettes, don't you?
No, I don't smoke many. You read a lot of books, don't you?
No, I don't read many.
Now you answer.
You smoke a lot of cigarettes, don't you?
No, I don't smoke many. You read a lot of books, don't you?
No, I don't read many.
You eat a lot of apples, don't you?
No, I don't eat many. You buy a lot of cigars, don't you?
No, I don't buy many. Lesson 35, Drill 3.
Listen to these examples.
Is there any tea or coffee?
No, there's not much tea, but there's some coffee. Is there any bread or sugar?
No, there's not much bread, but there's some sugar.
Now you answer.
Is there any tea or coffee?
No, there's not much tea, but there's some coffee. Is there any bread or sugar?
No, there's not much bread, but there's some sugar.
Is there any milk or lemonade?
No, there's not much milk, but there's some lemonade. Is there any milk or tea?
No, there's not much milk, but there's some tea.
There are a lot of people in the city. There are a lot of people working hard. There are a lot of people in the city. There are a lot of people driving cars, and they all say they're doing fine, but they never have much time to sit and smile in the city. There aren't many people in the country. There aren't many people living there. There aren't many people in the country. There aren't many people breathing the air, but they're all doing fine, and they always have a lot of time to sit and smile in the country, in the country, in the country, in the country.
Lesson 36. A man is standing on a bridge over a river. He wants to fly.
23, 22, 21.
Hey, what are you doing?
Go away! 20, 19, 18, 17.
Ooh, you're not going to jump, are you?
Go away! 16, 15, 14.
I said you're not going to jump, are you?
Jump?
Yes, jump. From this bridge.
From this bridge?
Yes.
Madam, are you going to stand here all day? 13, 12, 11.
You are going to jump. I knew it.
All right, yes, I am going to jump. Now, go away.
Don't be stupid.
Stupid? Madam, I am a scientist. Oh, stupid.
Yes, the water's very cold.
10, 9... Water? Oh, no, madam. I'm not going to jump into the water.
You're not going to jump into the water.
No, I am not going to jump into the water. I'm going to fly. 8, 7, 6.
Fly?
Yes, I'm going to fly, and I'm going to be famous. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Are you all right?
Yes, thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Oh, what are you going to do now?
Well, I'm going to jump again, of course.
Oh, no, you can't.
And this time, I really am going to fly.
Oh, but
I'm going to fly like a bird, and I'm going to be world famous. Goodbye.
Now, listen. Now, come here. You are not going to jump again.
Oh, yes, I am.
Oh, no, you're not.
Yes, I am.
No, you're not.
Who is going to stop me?
Well, I am.
Very well. If I'm not going to jump, what am I going to do?
You're going to go home.
Go home?
Yes. You're going to go home. You're going to change your clothes. You're going to eat a hot dinner. And you're going to go to bed.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not. I'm going to jump from the bridge. And I'm going to fly. And I'm going to... yes, I'm going to go home, eat my dinner, and go to bed.
Oh, good.
But I'm going to come back again tomorrow.
Lesson 36, Drill 1.
Listen to the examples.
Are you going to have lunch or tea?
I'm going to have lunch. Are you going to sleep or read?
I'm going to sleep.
Now you answer.
Are you going to have lunch or tea?
I'm going to have lunch. Are you going to sleep or read?
I'm going to sleep. Are you going to go or stay?
I'm going to go. Are you going to have milk or lemonade?
I'm going to have milk. Are you going to sing or talk?
I'm going to sing. Lesson 36, Drill 2.
Listen to these examples.
I'm going to sing.
You're not going to sing, are you? I'm going to sleep.
You're not going to sleep, are you?
Now you.
I'm going to sing.
You're not going to sing, are you? I'm going to sleep.
You're not going to sleep, are you? I'm going to go.
You're not going to go, are you? I'm going to cry.
You're not going to cry, are you? I'm going to drink some tea.
You're not going to drink any tea, are you? Lesson 36, Drill 3.
Listen to these examples.
I'm going to sing.
Yes, but when are you going to sing? I'm going to go.
Yes, but when are you going to go?
Now you continue.
I'm going to sing.
Yes, but when are you going to sing? I'm going to go.
Yes, but when are you going to go? I'm going to stop smoking.
Yes, but when are you going to stop smoking? I'm going to have lunch.
Yes, but when are you going to have lunch? I'm going to listen to the drill again.
Yes, but when are you going to listen to the drill again?
Now.
Let's speak English.
I speak English.
You speak English.
Let's speak English.
Let's speak English now.